Hey guys, today I want to show you what can you do with your BRZ GT86, the modification you must do if you have this car, and it's probably the cheapest mode, so it already has Vland Valenti stop lights, but as you can see, this part, this like a rear bumper light, stop light or whatever, looks a bit genuine, so that's why I have ordered the Vland smoked rear bumper light, which looks like this, and it's pretty cool. Look, it's smoked. So today I want to show you how to install this, and I hope that I won't stuck with any problems. And all you need, I did like a small research, and all you need is 10mm spanner for a couple bolts there, and also you need something like this just to remove these plastic clips, which looks like this. So let's see how it keeps under the bumper, and you can see some parking sensors is already installed, but we need to remove this out from here. And yeah, as I told you, it's 1 and 2 10mm bolts. All the rest just on the plastic clips, but this harness is not fit to another one which I bought, so we need to remove the old harness through here, and it goes into the boot. Let's go on top. So it goes somewhere there. So I think I need to remove this plastic, and yeah, let's just put everything apart and we'll see. So actually you can see here, it's 1, 2 bolts, and probably the plastic clip here and a plastic here, which just goes through. So let's maybe start with this part firstly. I will remove it from there. There we go. So firstly I will try to remove it with the wrench spanner, 10mm spanner, and we will see. I also have a small ratchet for it, but I think it's good with the spanner. 1 bolt out. Right, second bolt out. So yeah, as I told you, there is 2 plastic clips on the sides. Let's remove them. That's a good part to have a 4-wheel drive. So you will have enough space to work on it without any voice jacks. Yep. So, okay. So guys, this part is out. And the next step, I need to disconnect it from the tail lights. So now I will disconnect the harness. Oopsie. So now we need to remove this cover. Okay. Okay, let's go out. Oh. Now you can see how to change the rear suspension on the BRZ. So yes guys, just pop off this rubber seal, which is made just to prevent like a moisture and all this stuff. And now I need to understand how it works here, because it already has this from the Vland tail lights, a bit of electrical stuff. But firstly I need to remove this plastic, because oh shit, it's a bit low for me. So I need to remove this plastic just because the harness goes somewhere under this plastic. Alright, ready to go. So just a couple clips behind. Everything is on the plastic clips here, which is easy to work on, but if you have a special tool, it's like not a really special tool, just a clip remover or whatever it's called. So the last one is here. Turn on. Okay. So how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 clips for now. Remove it. Alrighty, ready. It must be pretty easy. Look. So this harness goes exactly from this bumper tail light or whatever. Goes here, and straight to this connector. And this thing has the same connector. So all I need is connect this one to the genuine one, and after connect this connector somehow to the stop lights, but they runs on a special block, so we'll see how it goes. So now I will disconnect this and remove all harness, remove this old stop light. Here we go. So yes guys, as I told you, this bumper light gives the power to the stop lights. See this magical electrician job that someone did. And yeah, I need to do the same exactly. Just remove this connection, then cut this power wire here and solder this power wire for the stop lights. So it's like a bit more job, but nothing difficult. Just cut this wire from here, and now I'm pretty sure that I'm ready to remove this harness. But I did a mistake. I need to put this rubber seal outside, not the inside the car, but it's not a big problem. Put this rubber seal back in place and then outside the boot. It's a bit tight here, but tight holes. Okay, here we go. This out. So let's just match them, and now maybe you can see the difference between them. This one just looks so common. This one might be a bit interesting, and it wasn't like too expensive. I think it was like $100 for Australian dollars. I mean, it's around 60 United States dollars. Pretty good deal. I bought it on a sale straight from Vland, so let's put a new one in and hopefully that will work. So firstly I want to put it in place, and then I will put the wires through the rear bumper into the bonnet, or I mean into the boot, and then we will do some electrician stuff. How it looks? Oh yeah, I think it's like way better than before. Oh, that's the wrong clips. The clips for the inside and outside, they're a bit different. This one for the bumper light, this one from the inside, so they're different. So let's put this harness into the car. Now just connect it like this, and then use this connector. Let's do it. So green to green, then disconnect this connector. Oh, so we have 4 connectors, 4 plugs, and the small one from this adapter goes into the big one, and the small one from the car goes into the big one on the connector, and like this. And we even have this small plastic clip and a hole here, so we can put this into the hole. And now it should work. Let's test it. I'm pretty sure that's the lights for reverse and probably brake lights. Let's check reverse light. I will just leave it on the handbrake, and yeah, it works. Then the brake light, I don't know if it works or not. And what else? I can use the head. Oh, you see? That's sick. I will put it into the parking. Right. So it works. So I turned on the park lights, and it's pretty matched with the tail lights. Let's close the boot just a bit, like this. Yeah, looks good. That looks good. Now all I have to do is put 2 bolts on top of this light, then put everything back together in the bonnet, or I mean in the boot. This English, you know. And that's it. It's like 30 minutes job if you haven't done before. But if you have done before, it might be a bit faster than 30 minutes. And what can I say? It's like looks much better, I guess, because it matched with this black plastic. And yeah, as you can see, that's the old one. That's how it was before. It didn't cost me a penny, like $100 Australian for this tail light or bumper light. I think that's a good thing to do on your BRZ GT86. All you need is 10mm spanner and just falling apart. And the screwdriver, which is already located in your boot. Put everything back, all good, all clips there. Just need to put this under the rubber, like this. Okay. And the last bit, just covers, and that's it. One bit, and something else. Okay. And that's all done. That's your probably one of the easiest modification on your BRZ GT86 Xeon. Looks good now. I'm pretty happy with it. So $100 and a new mod. 30 minutes, one spanner. That's it. That's all you need. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.